Down but not out. The Senate's decision last night to shelve the articles of impeachment has filled nearly all House solons with chagrin. But it ain't over till it's over, pending the Supreme Court's ruling on a pleading filed by the House to reconsider the High Tribunal's earlier decision on the matter, as Armela Las Moras reports.
Several congressmen were extremely disappointed by the Senate's decision to archive the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte. According to House Impeachment Prosecutor Joel Chua, they will not be deterred, especially since they still have a pending motion for reconsideration with the Supreme Court.
Sa amin pong paniniwala, hindi pa po tapos ang laban. Tayo po ay umaasa na ito po ay pakikinggan tayo, lalong-lalo na po yung motion for reconsideration na amin pong inihain sa Korte Suprema.
House Deputy Majority Leader Zia Alonto Adjong also agrees. Honestly, he said he was no longer surprised by the Senate's action, but he still believes there is hope.
No decision really is cast on stones. Anything can change. I would say these are all distractions kasi nawawala tayo dun sa real issue, which is the clamor for public accountability.
For its part, the Makabayan Bloc said they will continue their quest to hold the Vice President to account.
Magfa-file tayo ng motion for reconsideration. Today ay i-file na natin tong motion for reconsideration at bukas ay physically ifa-file ito sa Korte Suprema. At sa Agosto 12 ay patuloy natin yung mga pagkilos ng mamamayan.
As for ML Party List Representative Laila De Lima, although she is devastated over what happened, she agrees with the viewpoint of some legal luminaries.
I agree with what Justice Tony Carpio, former Justice Tony Carpio, said na at least in-archive lang. So hindi na pwede basta-basta na lang i-dismiss ng Supreme Court o i-deny ng Supreme Court yung motion for reconsideration on the ground of being moot and academic. Kasi kung dinismiss, yun ang posibleng dahilan ng Supreme Court na i-deny yung motions for reconsideration on the ground of mootness. But since in-archive, so pwede pa to really resolve the motion for reconsideration.
House Speaker Martin Romualdez himself has also questioned the Senate's move. He said to archive is in effect to bury the articles of impeachment, even though the Supreme Court ruling is not yet final, so he's wondering why it was rushed. Romualdez also reiterated this is not just about politics but accountability anchored on verified facts and sworn documents. And he stands firm to continue fighting for the Constitution, for the rule of law, and for the truth. Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.